Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show how to take data from RSS feed and make entry in Google Sheet. So first we will select a trigger and we will set up a cron which we want to maybe for 1 hour. So run every hour. So now this is a very intelligent AI driven cron management. So you can type anything you want. And now this flow will run every hour. Now what we want to do is we want to fetch data from RSS. So we will type fetch RSS feed items from the last specified minutes. Now we'll say apply. The AI is writing a code with some pre-given configurations. So you don't need to look into the code, just have your URL here and the last 30 minutes of data. So in this URL, there is no data of last 30 minutes. So I'm just keeping it 300 minutes and saying update. And then maybe I must give it a test. Why? Because to make this data available in the entire flow, and I will have this advanced configuration run flow one by one. Done. Now I will add a step Google Sheet. Yeah, add new row. Now I'm adding a new row. I have predefined my connections here. I have created a Google Sheet with the name of new PRs and sheet 1. The column name was their title, description, and time. It picks the first row of my Google Sheet. Now I have to match title with this, description with maybe link, and then time is published date. That's all. Now create. That's all. Now publish the changes. So publish changes. Yes. No, one thing I forgot to change is 300 minutes. So I just need to put every hour. So this flow is running every hour. So I have to keep it 60 minutes. Update. That's all. Now I need to click on publish changes again. Yes. So now this flow is ready. And whenever there is new entry in this particular RSS feed, the flow will run multiple times depending on the number of entries, and the new rows will be added. So you can add more actions here, like OpenAI, if you want to analyze something or you want to do some other things, maybe if conditions you can do with plus button. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please talk to our support at viaSocket.com or our live chat. Thank you very much.